Now we enter into the farm. So this is the place where everybody can farm the animals.
Animals. This is for the animals.
But you have the house
You have
inside.
the house there inside. This one is my neighbor. See here?
Okay.
You see the bees? These bees are still there.
What is it?
The bees.
The bee. Let's see the bees.
They built again.
Wow.
Be careful.
Wow.
They were digging the bees. See, they have made some more honey again.
Oh, you want
That
to
honey
take
was
some?
not there. Come back, come back.
No, they don't farm.
Don't touch. They are very dangerous.
This species is dangerous.
Very, very still. I've got bees there. So I need to come and take them and put them in my box.
The honey.
I'll call somebody this honey.
So you took ones?
No, I think the people, the locals, they come and dig it. They take ones. Now I can see they're building again. Last time it was not there was nothing.
Wow.
Now they like this place. I mean, they like this place.
How you got it? You
No, they were given for free by the government.
Yeah, by the government.
Then they sell to me. The guys they sell to me. The youth was given, then they sell it. They were given so that they can start their poultry. So then they sold it.
Oh, nice. Ah, there is a guy there?
The
Yeah.
guy used this.
Do not stop drinking.
No, it's just me being dirty.
You didn't?
No, I used to do road signs and stuff like that. Through the space, I was just doing for myself. I was doing road signage.
Wow, you did a lot of things.
Yeah, I did a lot of things. For printing, I was doing that.
Maybe I will open.
Yeah, let me open.
Okay.
Maybe you can drive. You know how to drive?
You want me to drive? He wants me to drive. I don't care. To drive. What he showed me. Oh, this is the guard. So we learned how to farm. This show me that you can eat that one.
This one.
You sure?
Yes.
Mm. It's sweet. But don't do that at home. Don't eat something you don't know.
Even this guy, the guy who stays here, he's from Zimbabwe. So he didn't know that this thing you can eat. Then I told him last time that you can eat these things. He doesn't know. He didn't know.
Wow.
Quite a lot. You can see even there that
2, 4, 6, 5. It's so cute. How are you opening it?
Huh? He's gonna open for me.
Okay. Hi, how are you? She's very happy to see you.
Yeah. They like it. They can get it.
Come.
You're getting. So this is let me just a small video. Welcome to my farm. This one is called the bushland farm. This is where I do the piggery. This is the structure. It's a very simple structure for the big ones. I recycle these tires, the old tires for the trucks. I make a small enclosure, and inside I put a trough where the pigs, they can drink water, they can eat or drink something that is liquid. Since I'm also, these are the pigs.
Wow, they are big.
These ones are called, in fact, these ones are, they're big, they look big, but they are young. Because this one's a year and a half. The biggest one, the bull, it's a year and a half. It's bigger. Let me go in. Try to.
They're not dangerous?
No, they are not. They are afraid of people. The most dangerous animal in the world is the person. We are the most dangerous because we can easily tame the animal and kill them for food. This one is called snake.
Wow.
You can see, if you look around, you see that this one, the cheeks, this one's like they're pregnant already. You can see from the cheeks are coming out. But this one I don't think you see it, that's why it's standing on it. This one had babies before. This is the only one that had babies before.
All of them is female.
Huh? This one's a female, one male.
Where is the male? That one, yeah.
This one. More than 300. Now there's this foot and mouth disease which is around, so I downsize. I select the very few ones. The old mothers I've killed for sausages. Now I'm only left with the fresh ones. So by the end of the year, I should be having more than 300 again.
300 from those 10?
No, not from them. I have around 30 females.
30 females. Wow.
This side there are only 10. There are only, how many? There are 8. And
8.
This side there's one male. And then this one, they're the older ones. You see how big they are supposed to be.
So that will be like 300 in 1 year, end of the year.
Yes. Because one pig can give around 16.
16.
And it gives birth twice in a year. It means it can give you 30. One pig.
What you will do with all of them?
No, I take to the butchers, we slaughter them and stuff like
But
that.
they're small, they're baby.
No, I'll show you the size. When that's how you slaughter them. Not the baby. After 3 months.
After 3
It will be
months.
big. I'll show you the 3 months one. This one is a land race going down. This one had babies before. You see now it's on heat. That's why this guy is charging. He's trying to die. Because he had babies before, but they all died. Because they were not fully mature. This net house.
This is the baby.
Yeah, this is the maternity ward. So they stay here. They will be looking this side. They eat here. They drink water on this trough, on this thing here.
They drink like that.
They drink like that. They press for themselves. Wow. They are very clever. All the animals that give a lot of babies, they can press for themselves the water. You look at the rabbit. The rabbit can give more than, also like a pig, many babies. They can drink there. You look at the chicken. You know the chicken, they've got also that they can do that. And then also the pig. But a goat, if you don't open the water for it, it will die, but the pump is there.
Yeah. Wow.
This one is LM grass. Now it's doing some seeds. That's why it's got some roots.
Oh, this can eat. This can eat.
This one? Yeah, that's the same thing. That's the same plant we're eating. Take the black one.
But need to wash them.
No need.
Because it's dust.
Dust is good.
Dust is good.
Because you get some minerals that you need for the body.
Okay.
Because it's very funny. And people, they will tell you, don't eat the soil, but they will put the salt. Salt in soil. They will tell you need magnesium, you need what. They're there in the dust. Nothing. As long as it's not contaminated with some toxic thing, it's okay.
So you have solar also?
Yeah, this is the solar pump. During the day it pumps. You see now it's pumping there. I don't know why it's doing like this now. It's supposed to do this. This one is good. Heavy, that's why they're putting it down.
This is not the same.
It's the same.
That one.
The same tree.